is no need to read this one. I will explain you. So this is matrix 1 and this is matrix 2. Okay, and here you the question is that you have to find the coding for most. Okay, most, most. Now see here, m is here, here, here and here. There is no m mentioned over here, so we will ignore this matrix. Okay, so we will ignore this matrix. Fine. Now see here, m. Fine. So m, now how we will solve this question? We have to find out the code, the place, the number for this m. Now see here it is 0 and here it is 2. Okay, so 0 2 will be the first coding for m. Now next probable coding can be 1 4, that is 14. The next is 2 1 21. The next is 3 3 33, and the last one is 4 0 40. Okay, so these are the coding words for m. Fine. Now for o, similarly we will find it for o. Okay, so 0 1, now 1 3, 2 0, 3 2 and 4 4. Okay, 44. So 44, 32, 20 and 13 and 0 1. Okay, so these are the coding for o. Now s 0 3, 1 0, 2 2, 3 4 and 4 1. So these are the codings for s. Now t. Now see here, there is no mention of t over here now, so we will ignore this one for t. Now we will look after this matrix 2 for the codings for t. So let's see for the t. So here it is 5 6 56, then 68, then 75, then 87 and then 99. Okay, so these are the coding words for coding numbers for t. Okay, so this is I have written. Okay, in exam you don't actually have to write. Okay, so this is just the basic one which I am telling you. Okay, now see here, for most the coded words are for 0 2 14 21 33 40, 0 2 21 33 40. So these are the coded words for m. Okay, so obviously any of these can be correct. No, so now check it for o. It is 0 1 13 20 32 44, 0 1 20 13 44. So this one is eliminated. Option C is eliminated. Now let's see, check for s. For s it is 10 22 3 34 41, 10 22 3 34. Okay, 34 is there. So the c is also c is already eliminated. Here b will also be eliminated because 11 is not the coding for s. Now for t, let's check it out for t. Now we are left with only option A and D. For t it is 56 68 75 87 99, 56 68 56. So here is the answer. This is our answer. That is option D is our answer. 89 is not the coding. It is 87, not 89. Okay. So this is also eliminated. So our answer is option D. Okay. Now similarly you will do it for road also. Here you have to find it out for road. So you have to find the coding words for R. O we have already done. Okay. R you have to find it out for R. Okay. And then O is already done. Then A, you will get coded numbers for A over here, and then the last one is D. Okay, D you will also get it from matrix 2 only. Okay, so when you will find it out, you will get this one. Okay, so for R it is 0 4 11 23 30 42, 0 4 11 23 42. Okay, so first of all what we can do, just check it from the back. Okay, D. Let's see what is the coding for D. It's 57, 69, 76, 88, 95. Okay, so 69, 57, 58 is not there. So this option is eliminated. Now 69 is there, 78 is not there, and this 99 is also not there, right? So our answer is option C. Okay, so directly we got the answer, right? So once you will solve around 20 questions, around 15 or 20 I mean, just take 10 minimum I'm taking. Okay, when you will solve around 10 questions based on such metrics, you will just you are just gonna master this one. Okay, so this is not very tough, as you just saw this this example, right? So this is not very tough, right? So I'm very hopeful that you must have understand that how to tackle such questions. This was really very easy one. Now, which type of questions UPSC asks, we will see in the previous year question paper, which is the next lesson and which is the last one. Okay, so previous year question papers, I will solve a few questions. I have solved a few questions based on that. From the previous, I have taken a few questions from previous year paper, and I have solved it for you. Okay, and coding to coding, probably most